I feel like we're in a group of really like-minded people. They've done a great job at making us all feel really comfortable and able to talk about our businesses and our struggles.
The course is fantastic. The thing that for me was really helpful as well was Ryan being a mentor as well during that stage.
Learning from everyone around, your personal experiences, the journey that you've had with Ryan as well.
Everybody is totally different. Obviously everyone comes from different walks of life, and hearing how those stories have kind of carved their way through the sector has been amazing.
It's been so lovely, and again so warm and welcoming, just like Ryan and Mark are on one-to-one calls and in meetings and things. This is just an extension of them. It's an extension of their hospitality and their warmth.
I think they've definitely helped me sort of tune into my own skill set, my own passions and my own sort of natural creative abilities.
I think it's been a very positive experience, especially since the first time where I'm in a place with like-minded people who own their own small businesses. I think just go and do it. Don't overthink, even though I do it a lot. I think it was one of the few moments in my life where I just didn't overthink my decision. I just did it.
Getting to create our own mood boards and how that represents us as a person, how that impacts in our work.
I think, simply put, networking with like-minded people, it's just a tonic. It's a tonic to your soul.
Give yourself a chance to at least speak to them. Once you know that Mark and Ryan both understand where you're coming from, what you need, they are extremely encouraging, extremely motivating, but you wouldn't know until you've done it.
The fact that I know that I have Mark and Ryan as my biggest supporters, my biggest fans.
If you're an architect, if you're an interior designer and you want to surround yourself with like-minded people who have just an open mind and a willingness to learn, but also want that kind of immersive experience in an incredible city, these are the guys to really hold your hand, nurture you, but also treat you to a lovely cocktail, treat you to a lovely meal out and create an unforgettable